This shortcut lobster bisque gives you restaurant-quality flavor without the hours of simmering shells or the stress of handling live lobsters. By using lobster tails or pre-cooked lobster meat and a few smart flavor boosters, you can have this on the table in about 30-40 minutes. The easy toolkit, the shortcut. Use better than bouillon lobster base or bottled clam juice to get deep seafood flavor instantly. The texture. Use an immersion blender to blend the sautéed vegetables directly into the soup. This creates a thick velvety base without a complex roux. The secret ingredient, a tiny pinch of sugar at the end. It mimics the natural sweetness of fresh lobster. Serves 4. Prep time. 10 min, so your cook time, 25 min. Ingredients: lobster, 1 lb lobster meat, chopped, or 3 tunter 4 lobster tails. Aromatics: 1 small onion, 1 carrot, and 1 celery stalk, all finely diced. Base: 3 TBSP butter, 2 TBSP tomato paste, 2 cloves garlic, minced. Liquids: 3 cups seafood stock or clam juice, 1/2 cup dry white wine or sherry, 1 cup heavy cream. Thickener: 3 TBSP all-purpose flour. Seasoning: 1 TSP paprika, 1/4 TSP cayenne pepper, 1/2 TSP dried thyme, salt, pepper to taste. Sauté the veggies. In a large pot or Dutch oven, melt the butter over medium heat. Add the onion, carrot, and celery. Sauté until soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic and cook for 1 more minute. Build the base. Stir in the tomato paste and flour. Cook for 2 minutes, stirring constantly, until it smells slightly toasted. This roux will thicken your soup. Deglaze and simmer. Slowly pour in the white wine or sherry, scraping the bottom of the pot to get the flavor bits. Whisk in the seafood stock and seasonings. Paprika, cayenne, thyme. Bring to a gentle boil. Then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. Make it smooth. Use an immersion blender or a standard blender in batches to puree the soup until completely smooth. The creamy finish. Stir in the heavy cream and let it simmer for 2 to 3 minutes. Do not let it reach a rolling boil once the cream is in. Add the lobster. Stir in your chopped lobster meat. If using raw tail meat, simmer for 4 to 5 minutes until opaque. If using pre-cooked meat, just heat it through for 1 to 2 minutes. Taste and serve. Season with salt, pepper, and that tiny pinch of sugar. Garnish with fresh chives or a dash of paprika. If using frozen tails, thaw them in a bowl of cold water for 30 minutes before starting. Avoid rubber lobster. Never boil the soup once the lobster is added. Gentle heat is the key to keeping the meat tender. No wine. Substitute with an equal amount of chicken broth and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice at the end for acidity.